Hello everyone, welcome to another new Python tutorial video, and we're going to see another function problem where we have been told to take an input and then return a palindrome string. So if we check the examples, that is, here input has been given 5 and we have to make a palindrome string in respect to that input number. So we can see the palindrome is 1 2 3 4 5 and then 4 3 2 1. Let's visualize this problem first. What do you know about palindrome? So palindrome is those numbers whose first hop and the last hop are same. So if you just be like so, the first hop and the last hop are same. We can see if we just change the order, like this is this way forward. If we reverse this order, let's see, this one first came M, then came A, then came D, then came A, then came E. So if we reverse the string and we get the same output, then those kind of strings are known as palindrome. Okay, let me just give you another example of which is not a palindrome. So let's say Anvo, our YouTube channel name. This is in forward way. Now let me just type the reverse one. If I type a reverse one, which will become first O, then V, then N, then A. So these two strings are not equal. Since these two strings are not equal, that means this is not a palindrome. So we have understood the concept of a palindrome, right? So let's see how we can solve one. We have been told that the input will be 5. Okay, we have to create a string up to 5. So our string should be 1 to 5. So how we can make a string 1 to 5? We can create a for loop and go until input plus 1. So let's say for I in range, what will be our initial? It will be 1. And how long we will go? We will be given an input, right? So if we define this variable, let's say input variable is n, therefore it will be n plus 1. Now what we're going to do? We're going to print the values. Print I comma and we're going to, if you can just give a space if you want the values to be separated by one within a space, and if you don't want to give any spaces, just you give like this way. So in this way we have got the output in this side. We have got the output 1 2 3 4 and 5 from this code. Now we need to print the reverse one. So how can we print the reverse one? I have to now print 4 3 2 1 in reverse order. Okay, so let's see how we can do the reverse order. We can write for I in range from where my count will start. We know my reverse will start from 5, but 5 is already in the string. So my count, my number will start from n minus 1. Therefore I will give n minus 1. Let me say again, like my output, what will be my output? My initial output is 1 2 3 4 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. This is actually my output. So I have already printed this far. So now I need the rest of the letters or the digits. So for this one, I already know my value of n is 5. So I need to print the next one, sorry, the previous one. So I take n minus 1. N minus 1, I get 4. Now what I have to do? How long will I go? I will go till the last value. So for this one, I know that my value started from 1. So if I give 0, then what happens? I will get until 0. That means I will get 4, I will get 3, I get 2, I get 1, but I don't get 0 because I will go until 0. So we know whatever the term is here, it will be excluded. It won't be included. This will be excluded. That's why 4 won't be considered here. And I want to decrease the value. Since I want to decrease the value by 1, that's why I have given -1. And from this, what I get actually, let me just write here, I will print. Okay, let me just give here j, a different value variable. Okay, for j, and same manner, done. So from this, what I have gotten is that final output. From this part I got 4, 3, 2 and 1, and my final output is this one. So hope you guys understand that how are we going to solve this problem. So let me just write the same thing in our code. So let's come here, let's define a function. Let's say it's show palindrome. Okay, show palindrome given in the question. It will take a number, let's say it is n as our parameter. Okay, we're going to call it also again. We are passing, let's say 5, as we have seen in the examples, for I in range. We know we're going to start from 1 and n plus 1 until we're going to print I comma end. Now we're going to second loop to print the rest of the letters or digits. Okay, then let's just run it, and thus we have got our desired output, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and then in reverse 4 3 2 1. Thus our code is complete and it is working properly. So I hope you have understand the problem. If you still have any kind of confusions, you can just comment below or email me. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.